Hello viewers and book lovers, welcome to my channel. As you know, my name is Shmita Roy and I am an authorized reseller of books. There is a wide collection of books in my bookstore, comprising mainly of self-help books, which covers the topics on success, business, education, health, how to earn money through social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, eBay and so on. There are unlimited number of books in my bookstore. So friends, if you want to live happier and healthier lives than ever before, then this is the right time and right place for you. If you do not read books, then grow the habit of reading books from right now. Here in this video, I am sharing with you few of the lines from a very useful book, 30 Days to Niche Success. Throughout this 30 Days to Niche Success course, you will be introduced to a variety of steps that will help you make the most out of niche mini sites. It is recommended that you follow these steps for maximum results. Theories should be coupled with practice to achieve definite results. This course will supply you with the knowledge. It will be up to you to effectuate them into reality. Day 1. Start brainstorming your niche idea. It all starts with an idea. A website is a means by which you can convey information online. Spend this day finding an idea. Day 2. Finding great niches. The idea behind finding great niches lies in finding a topic that is not serviced by too many websites. A niche is a highly segmented portion of a given market that is serviced by few entities. Day 3. Doing your market research. We have previously discussed that the success of a niche website depends on three things: your page impression, your click-through rate, the cost per click of the ads that are displayed on your website. Day 4. Getting a domain name, web hosting service and other preliminary concern. Never underestimate the value of a good domain name. Next, you will need to enroll for a web hosting service. Day 5. Building your website. A niche website basically has three important components: an attention-grabbing header, AdSense placement, and quality content. Day 6. To formulate your own meta tags. Place the meta tags on the very top of your source code. Having the proper meta tags will help your site's prominence. Days 7 through 16. Spend these 10 days preparing your content because your website content is everything. Day 17. Really polishing up your niche website. By now, you should have your content ready. Now it is time to upload your content. Day 18. Techniques for monetizing your niche website. Now that the bulk of your website is finished, it is time to monetize it. AdSense is just one of many ways by which you can earn from your pages. Days 19 to 22. Going live and announcing it with a press release. By now, you should be ready to go live. That is to publish your website for the World Wide Web to witness. The important thing at this point is to establish as many backlinks to your website as possible. Days 23 to 27. Learning all about blog and ping. Here is a pretty powerful strategy that will surely get you indexed in Yahoo and Google as well within the next couple of days. It has something to do with blogs. Blogs were originally meant to serve as online journals or diaries to serve a variety of social purposes. Day 28. Making sure you have a reliable follow-up system. The new visitors that you are sure to generate for your website are called unique visitors. You must give your visitors a reason to come back. A follow-up system or an autoresponder is a system that will allow you to capture the contact details of your visitor so that you are able to reach them in the future and invite them to return to your site. Day 29. Analyze visitor results and adjust your strategies accordingly. Day 30. Take a deep breath, relax, then replicate your success. So friends, what are you waiting for? Welcome to my bookstore. An URL of the bookstore you will find in the description box given below. As you know, the books are in digital form. The same are available immediately after the purchase is done. Once the above process is completed, an email with a downloadable link will arrive in your inbox. Click the link and download the book on your laptop, smartphone or tablet. If you find above few lines useful for you, then leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. For your success, Shumita Roy, happy reading. Thank you.